Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna check which shaft is best used on the gear. Alright, so let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna cut the wheel shaft and motor shaft as the same size as the gear shaft, and then we're gonna using the mold bank and to charge the battery, so that one this way we can make sure the voltage is all same on each test. And then after that we're gonna using this chassis here and to do the speed test on the speed checker and see which one is the best to using on the gear. All right, so let's go for the next. Okay, so for the speed, the low friction gear shaft will be the fastest one. It's like 34. It's around 35 kilometer per hour, and it only dropped down to 34 only 2 times. And then the wheel shaft is still keep on the 35, but it dropped to 34 couple I think like 3-4 times already. So at this moment I would think the low friction one is still faster because it's keep the speed at the 35. And then will be the regular gear shaft is It's also the maximum speed is 35 kilometer per hour, but it's basically holding on the 34, and it also has in the video it dropped down to 33, but still go back to the 34 and keep at the 34. And then the last one will be the motor shaft, that is basically 33, 34, and the maximum, the top speed is 34 kilometer per hour. So for the speed, if talk about the speed, then the fastest one will be the low friction. And then next we talk about the 15 meters, and we count the time. Basically, the low friction still the fastest one. It's 15.71 seconds. And then the wheel shaft and regular shaft, I would say it's pretty much same, because they both are like 15.78, 15.75. So I would say those two are together. So this way I will put those two are the second. And still the motor shaft, it has like 16.12 seconds. So that's so for the 150 meters, the low friction will be the first, and the wheel shaft and regular shaft will be the second, and the motor shaft will be the last one, the third. Alright, so this is just a test. Of course, if you want to try, you can try your own, it's okay. And here I just give you example and just give you some idea. Maybe it's not right, but it's just a test, right? Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.